Xeon 6000 series processor by Intel. Needs, of course, a little bit of air also. That's why you can see even more vents here. Then USB 3.0 twice, and here is the Type-C USB 3.1 looking Thunderbolt 3 connector, actually with up to 40 gigabits of data transfer, 4K display resolution, and with 60 Hz compatible, and so on and so on. So there's a lot of stuff happening here with just this tiny little port that you will see on other notebooks in the future also. Then HDMI and, for example, also power port here. And let's just check out the other side where we have, of course, even more, like for example mini display, USB 3 twice, and here also the headset port. And if you check out the bottom, you can see that the battery is of course also interchangeable, available in two different sizes. And if you check that out on the Lenovo website, you will see more about that. And then here, of course, RAM and hard drive, RAM up to 64 gigs, and SSD with 1 terabyte should be built in here with M2 PCI Express, and you can have actually 2 SSDs also inside, with a second one also at 1 terabyte should be possible with an older standard. Then we have here the docking station port, which you can see in the background. If I put here back down the display, you can see the docking station, which is of course also quite handy if you just want to use it as a local machine. Or of course with the brand new Thunderbolt 3 there will be even more docking solutions possible with multiple 4K displays, especially if you would buy the 17-inch model, because that one even has 2 Thunderbolt 3.0 ports. So definitely check out the video about that also. So this was the P50 with the